I'm gonna start with Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I'm gonna follow it up with Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Focus on those are the area where makeup tend to disappear quickly. That is under the eyes, around the mouth, and the nose area. I'm going to use Tier Cushion Foundation. This is in shade 40N. Dab my brush in it. Go in stamping motion. This is not super full coverage, but it's doing pretty good job. Huda Beauty Contour Cream. Start blending from the high point of the cheek area in stamping motion. I like to take this Fenty highlighter stick and place it at the nose like that. That is a bit of a packer punch, but hey, I'm gonna use Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette. I'm gonna use this shade. With my finger. This is actually a little bananas, but let's not forget the nose area like that. A little here. I'm gonna use Shape Tape Concealer. This is in shade Medium Deep. I'm gonna place a little here and a little in here. It's a little bit and a little here. In the foundation brush, I'm going stamping motion, starting from the jawline. Sponge and go all over the face one more time, to get rid of brush strokes. I'm gonna set it with Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting powder. Alright, I'm gonna use Pro Filter powder to dust away the setting powder. I'm gonna use this from the forehead gently. This is in shade 400. Okay, so this is the face nicely set. Let's quickly do the eyebrows and move on to the next. I'm going to use Fenty Stick Concealer to clean the eyebrows. Pat McGrath eyeshadow quart. I'm going to take this shade all over the lid. I'm going to blend this in stamping motion. I'm going to take this darker shade back and forth at the crease line, mainly focusing this at the outer corner. Blend it together with the faded liner I have going on there, and slowly buff it into the crease line at the inner corner, and then back and forth to the outer corner. I'm going to take back this shade and focus that at the inner corner, stamping motion, then a little back and forth to the upper crease, circular motion at the outer corner with the darker shade. You know, nothing so serious, just going back and forth, trying to define what I have going on there. With my finger, I'm going to take this shade, hopefully it will look nice, and drag it to the center of the lid. The eyelid is a bit dry, with a little moist. It will look a bit more sparkling, but I don't want anything crazy. And yeah, curl the lashes, coil, coil, coil. Let's quickly do the lips and call it a day. I'm going to use this Giorgio Armani Lip Maestro. I definitely need a liner for this. All right, Essence Lip Gloss. Okay, let's do a little nose highlighter. Use a little bronzer. I think way better. This is pretty much it. Drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on my next one. Thanks for watching. See you after.